everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. My good name is Isika's Kitchen, and this is where I share the simple things that make my kitchen special. And so today I want to talk about something small but powerful: yellow beans. And so for first things first, I'm going to start by sorting them out, getting rid of the rotten seeds, just the way I'm doing in the video. And for this legume, you can find it in several places depending on where you live. You can get this dish from the local markets, from the supermarkets. We have the online grocery shops, from farmers, or even the bulk sellers. It's so affordable, and trust me, it's much better than the other meals or the other preferred beans. The red beans, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And when it comes to flavor, yellow beans soak it all in spices. You can use coconut milk, garlic, just whatever you add, they make it better. And so preparing and cooking yellow beans, it depends on whether you are starting with dry beans or already pre-boiled ones. In case you're starting with the dry yellow beans, first of all you have to soak it. You can soak it overnight, maybe 8 to 12 hours, just to reduce the cooking time and improve digestion. Then after soaking, you boil, which normally just takes roughly 30 to 35 minutes. You're preparing the stew, and then you're mixing the beans into the stew, and then you simmer it, which mainly takes 15 minutes. Yeah, that is without pressure cooker, just around 2 hours, with pressure cooker around 1 hour. And if you're using the pre-boiled or the leftover beans, preparing the base, you can simmer your onions, tomatoes, and maybe add in the spices. Roughly will take you 15 minutes. Add the beans and you simmer it, and then of course the total time that you will have prepared it, roughly 30 minutes. And health-wise, yellow beans are a nutritional powerhouse. They have their key benefits. They are highly rich in protein. They are great for muscle building and repair, and also they are rich in fiber. It's a good source of iron. It supports heart health, and they are packed with vitamins and minerals. This beans is very perfect for both kids and the elderly, and this is the reason why. For the kids, it is gentle in the stomach. Yeah, it's very easier to digest, as I had said earlier. And for the elderly, it has the soft texture when cooked. It's high in fiber as well, and low in fat, and heart friendly. So if you're looking for a nutritious, tasty meal that everyone can enjoy, give yellow beans a try. They go so well with plain rice or even pilau, and with a little bit of spice and stew, you've got a full balanced plate. Thank you so much for watching. If you love yellow beans too, just tell me down in the comment section what's your favorite way to cook them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more from